Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cheesy potato balls with spinach and some vegetables. This is a great evening snack, or kids would love them because they won't even know there is some vegetables in it. It's super easy way to feed them. Before I go ahead and start the recipe, if you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. I have 2 videos every week, that way you don't miss out any upcoming videos. Let's see how to make this cheesy spinach potato balls. Here I have 3 large potatoes. I cook them in a salt water until it's nice and soft. As you can see, when you just break it, it should just break apart easily. And make sure it's completely cooled down before you even start working on it. Here I have half a cup of mozzarella cheese cut into cubes. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. Mozzarella works great. Here I have 1/4 cup of corn and peas blanched. 1/3 of a cup spinach roughly chopped. 1/4 cup of mint and cilantro chopped. Here I have 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoon corn flour. Here I have 4 tablespoon water and half a cup breadcrumbs. I have added some salt to it for seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour to make a slurry with the water. This we will do later. 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, I'm using less. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt as needed. Be mindful, we also have salt in our potatoes that we boiled earlier. Here I have half a teaspoon of each dried thyme and dried basil. You can use any kind of herb that you like, or you can even skip it if you can't find them. Now we are going to add all the ingredients to the potatoes. The reason we are adding less flour is because we don't want the cheesy ball to taste more of a flour. It doesn't taste good. So it's only used for a binding. So just make sure you use very little flour. In case if you don't want to use the flour, that's totally fine. You can use the breadcrumbs instead because it will work the same way as a binding agent and absorb the liquid. Now I'm going to mix it well until all the potatoes are nicely mashed, and as you can see, it's nice and soft. I also made a slurry. It looks nice consistency. Now with the breadcrumbs, I have salt. For seasoning, you can add some herbs if you like, or you can just add salt. Now give it a quick mix. Now I have all the ingredients here. I will make a nice big size of a ball with the potatoes. If you want to use medium size, that's totally up to you. I'm going to make a big size ball. I'm going to make it a nice disc shape in center of my palm and add 2 cubes of cheese. You can add less or more cheese, totally up to you. The more cheesier it is, it's better. Now I'm going to give it a nice round shape. Now it's time for some coating. I have a slurry that we prepared earlier. I'm going to coat that first layer and then the second one with the breadcrumbs. Now be generous with the breadcrumbs. This is what gives this nice golden color and nice crispiness outside. Now I'll go ahead and continue to do this with the rest of the potato mixture that I got, and once that is done, we will go ahead and start frying them. Here my cheesy spinach potato balls are ready. My oil been preheating on medium-low heat. I also have a paper towel in a clean plate to drain any excess oil after we fry them. Now go ahead and add the potato balls into the oil slowly, as many as you can fit in the pan. Do not overcrowd them. We definitely don't want them to steam away. We just want that nice golden brown color and crispiness. Flip them as necessary until all the sides turn nice and brown and crispy. It looks beautifully browned. I'm going to remove them and drain them in the paper towel. Look at that, guys. It looks beautiful. The color is amazing. Now I'm going to continue to do the same with the rest of the potato balls I got in hand, and once that is done, it's ready to be served with a simple ketchup or chutney of your choice. It's that easy. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks from inside. You can see all the spinach and vegetables, and the cheese is so gooey and melts away. As you can see, the cheese is nicely melted, and you can see the spinach around and the vegetables around. This is great recipe for kids snack. You can stuff in any kind of vegetable you like. You don't have to follow the same rule. You can add any vegetables you like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe below, and don't forget to leave your comment and like. And I will see you soon in my next new recipe. Till then, take care guys. Bye.